In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix drag and drop not working in Photoshop. If you've been trying to drag images from File Explorer into Photoshop and nothing happens, there's a good chance Photoshop is running with elevated permissions. Windows blocks drag and drop from a standard app like File Explorer into a program that's running as an administrator, which is why the cursor shows a no symbol or the file just won't drop. The fix is simple. Make sure Photoshop is not set to run as an administrator. Start by finding your Photoshop shortcut. This might be on your desktop in the Start menu, or you can press the Windows key and type Photoshop to locate it. Once you see the shortcut, right-click it. On some systems, you might need to choose Show More Options to see everything. From the menu, click Properties. A new window opens with several tabs along the top. Go to the Compatibility tab. In this tab, look for the option labeled Run this program as an administrator. If that box is checked, that's the culprit. Uncheck it. This tells Windows to launch Photoshop with normal permissions, so it can accept files dragged from File Explorer. After unchecking the box, click Apply to save the change, then click OK to close the window. Before you test, fully close Photoshop if it's open. Make sure there are no Photoshop windows minimized or hidden. If you want to be thorough, you can exit the app from the File menu, or right-click the Photoshop icon on the taskbar and choose Close All Windows. Then reopen Photoshop normally by using the same shortcut you just updated. Now try dragging an image from File Explorer directly into your Photoshop canvas, or onto the title bar of the Photoshop window. It should drop right in. If it does, you're all set. You haven't disabled any Photoshop features, you've simply aligned its permission level with Windows Explorer so drag and drop is allowed again. A quick tip, if you ever temporarily need to launch Photoshop as an administrator for troubleshooting, remember that drag and drop will stop working during that session. Just close the app and reopen it normally to restore drag and drop. Also, if the checkbox was already unchecked when you looked, reopen Photoshop and test drag and drop anyway. Sometimes the issue resolves after a simple restart. That's it. By adjusting the compatibility setting and relaunching, you've restored drag and drop functionality in Photoshop. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back to a smoother workflow.